how is it going everybody, Mr. Android here, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A52. Well, I have been waiting for this device from quite a long time and I finally got my hands on it. Guys, if you haven't already, then do subscribe to this channel because a lot of A52 videos will be coming for you. With that being said, let's quickly unbox the Samsung Galaxy A52 and I also be sharing my first impressions. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. For that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, opening up the box, the first thing that we get inside is the another box which contains some paperwork and there is a SIM ejector tool as well. Sadly, we do not have any back cover this time. Let's keep this aside and next we have the brand new Galaxy A52 with us. I got this in awesome black color. It looks great. It has this frosted finish which makes it very premium in the hand. Overall, it looks very similar to the Galaxy S21 series of smartphones. Now let's keep the phone aside for a moment and see what else we have got. We have got a Type-C cable along with a 15 watts charger. Even though the device supports 25 watts fast charging, they have just given us the 15 watts charger in the box. So that's all we have. Now let me go ahead and quickly set up the device. So the device has been set up and the first thing that I want to check is the Android version. As you can see, it is running on Android 11 and we have One UI 3.1. So that's a great thing. One of the main feature of this phone is the display itself. So it's a 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display and it also comes with 90Hz refresh rate. If I go to settings, you can see it has 90Hz set as default. So I can easily feel how smooth the display is. Apart from this, Galaxy A52 has some really good specifications such as the Snapdragon 720G, 6 or 8GB of RAM along with 128 or 256GB of internal storage. Now let's talk about the camera. So the Galaxy A52 has a quad camera setup which consists of 64 megapixel primary lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide along with 5 megapixel depth and macro lens as well. Other than this, the fingerprint scanner on this device works quite good. It is much better than the previous Galaxy A51 and A50 as well. And we also have IP67 rating, which is a flagship feature that we don't see in mid-range devices. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. As I said before, a lot of A52 videos will be coming on this channel. I will be making a full camera review, tips and tricks video, and also I will be doing some comparison with the Note 10 Pro as well. So stay tuned on this channel, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.